Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can integrate QuickBooks, FreshBooks and other apps in Gusto. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on settings right here, and then you're going to see integrations. And when you're going to click on integrations, you're going to see like all the apps. These are the connected I have. So you can go to accounting and find here like FreshBooks or QuickBooks Online, and you just connect it here, or you can simply choose whatever you like, business operations, and this is pretty much it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.